In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Proton Mail password. Whether you've forgotten your password, need to enhance your account security, or just want to keep things fresh, updating your password is a simple yet crucial task. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to head over to the Proton Mail website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to mail.proton.me. Once you're there, log into your account using your existing credentials. This will bring you to your inbox, where you can access all of your email activities. Next, you'll need to locate the Settings menu. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a gear icon. This is your Toggle Settings button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu, providing you with various options to manage your Proton Mail account. From this drop-down menu, select All Settings. This will take you to a new page dedicated to managing every aspect of your account. Here, you'll find numerous tabs offering different settings, but don't worry, we're going to focus on just one today. Now, on this settings page, your next step is to click on Account and Password. It's typically found in the list on the left-hand side of the page. Clicking this option will direct you to a section where you can manage your account details and update your password. Once you're in the Account and Password section, you'll see an option labeled Change Password. Click on that, and it will prompt you to enter your current password first, followed by your new password. Make sure your new password is strong. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols is usually best. This will help keep your account secure. After entering the required information, confirm the changes and save your new password. Proton Mail will typically notify you that your password has been successfully updated. If you encounter any issues during this process, ensure your internet connection is stable and that your new password meets all the security criteria set by Proton Mail. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Proton Mail password. Remember, it's a good practice to update your passwords regularly and to use unique passwords for different accounts to enhance your online security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day and stay secure.